Now I am a medical doctor, I know this, and I've said this several times before, I on average sleep 3 to 3 hours a day on average. Sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours, sometimes 3.5 hours, sometimes 4.5 hours. On average, I sleep about 3 to 3.5 hours a day. And this I'm doing since several years. I used to sleep in the medical college maybe for about 4 to 5 hours. And got involved in the field of Dawah, it became less. It became 3 hours and then became 3.5 hours. And I came to Malaysia for the first 1 or 2 years, maybe I slept for 1 hour more, but again I went back. On average, I've been sleeping 3 to 3.5 hours on average for the last many decades, maybe for the last 30 years. Medically, it's abnormal. Medically, it's abnormal. If you ask me, how many people in the world can sleep for 3 and 3.5 hours and function normally? The answer would be maybe 1 in 10 million, 0.0001%. Or if you say 1 in 10, I'm just saying a figure which is safe. It can be more. 1 in 10 million means there are 8 billion people alive.